Integrating Shippo with Squarespace can simplify your shipping process, enabling you to generate labels, compare rates, and track shipments easily. Here's how to set it up. Create a Shippo account. Start by signing up for a free account at Shippo. This will provide access to shipping tools and carrier options. Access Squarespace. Log into your Squarespace account and navigate to the home menu. Add Shippo integration. Go to Settings, Shipping. Under Shipping Options, look for the Add a Courier section. Choose Shippo from the available options. Connect Shippo to Squarespace. Follow the prompts to connect your Shippo account to Squarespace. You will need to authorize the integration, allowing Shippo to access your order data. Set up shipping preferences. In Shippo, configure your shipping settings, including package dimensions, weight, and preferred carriers to get accurate shipping rates. Create shipping labels. When an order is placed on Squarespace, go to your Shippo dashboard. Select the order, enter shipping details, and choose a carrier. Click Buy Label to generate the shipping label. Print and track. Print the label directly from Shippo and attach it to your package. Shippo also provides tracking information that you can share with your customers.